Welcome in my dolls and figurines. I'm DARKBARBiEDiFFERENT, and this is the brand new Smart Doll Take On Me boy in tea. Come with me as I take a first look at him and review him and compare him to my Transcendence. And I am kind of waiting to get probably any more until the Cortex comes out, because I would like to do projects with that, and I really wanted a boy one. When I first saw ball jointed type dolls, I thought the boy ones looked really realistic and cool, and he moves really realistic and cool. So let's go as I show you my first reaction to him and little tidbits about him today. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get my initial first reaction to him, and then I'm going to show you an up top from above view of him closer, because I know in the last video it didn't show Transcendence that well, and you can go check that video out if you'd like. I did get my initial reaction to her. My first time ever seeing a smart doll is in that video, but yeah, I would like to show him off better. He is the brand new Take On Me boy, and I was waiting for T to come out after I saw a picture of him. He was the boy that I wanted out of the two, which they don't make the other one right now, Never Gonna Give You Up, but he was a boy. I love the names, and this is his wig, which I am actually gonna show in this video. The last one I didn't show the wig, so I was just trying to have it be a quick, not an unboxing video. And this isn't an unboxing video really either, it's just my reaction, but I'm gonna show the wig in this one because they just look so much better and more real. And I also got this because I didn't have a shirt for mine yet. I did order one, not from Smart Doll, but from a creator on Etsy, and I kind of want to try this on the boy too. I like the color. It looks white online, but it definitely is like a cream brown, I don't know. I think it'll look nice on the tea skin tone though, and I love that little graphic. Stay proud, happy pride. My dolls are allies. So obviously this is the first time I'm ever seeing a smart doll boy too. He is heavy. I feel like heavier than the girl, which is surprising because they have the Safubi skin. So he's softer to pose better. So apparently people had problems with his limbs falling off before, or not his, but the boys, I guess. Whoa, he is squishy. He's beautiful. Oh wow, it's definitely heavy duty and heavier than the girls. Whoa, his eyes look way more real. It looks like they're following me when I turn him to the side. That was creepy. It was really cool. It was weird. This is him, and yeah, his whole body is squishy, not just the chest and the hands. So he can pose better. Apparently he can do the splits, which is actually, that looks really cool. Wow, that looks really realistic. I'm scared to hold him without, oh, and people said his feet didn't really seem proportionate, but I feel like they do. I don't know. They make bigger feet now, apparently. I don't know if he came with those or not. Whoa, yeah, it is weird. With the squish skin, you can definitely, bend them more than the female body. Also, here is an up-close, better look of his face. Do you see how it looks like he's following you? He looks so real. I thought he looked kind of anime in the pictures, so that's interesting. He can turn better too with that Safubi body. I love it. It's quite the flick. So his chest is up here. Interesting with the soft, because you can I love his body. That's so cool. So that's him. Without his wig. He is definitely heavier. Like, he's... I wonder how much he weighs. I'm actually curious about that, if anyone knows. So I'm gonna get his wig on and then show you guys him from above and a little comparison of him in Transcendence. And this says G10 on the back, by the way. And then I will be right back. So the wig was surprisingly easy to get on, and I'm really trying to capture the color here. It's very multicolor, a dark blue, a light blue, a silvery blue, a greeny blue, like so many different shades are in here, and the style is perfect. So like, this is a semi-real style doll, but it's so anime, like Sora or Scene. I love it. So I'm gonna get him back together and then grab Transcendence and do an overhead view of them, but I just wanted to give you guys a closer look at just the head, eyes, face up, and hair that he initially comes with, because I probably will be keeping the hair, for sure. The eyes I would maybe change someday, but I actually do like them a lot. But I like to make dolls kind of my own, so I feel like he needs something. I don't have any clothes or anything for him yet, except the shirt that I ordered, which we'll find out if that fits him at some point. So this is what he looks like in full, not really posed or anything. I wasn't able to order hand packs yet because they were sold out at the time. I don't know if he restocked, but I'm sure there will be more. I do like the hands that they initially come with. They seem very just like normal kind of pose that your hands would be in. And also it could hold something if you needed it to in a certain way, like, you know? So that's kind of cool. I mean, I don't have it perfect right now, but yeah. So that's pretty cool. I haven't truthfully changed the hands on my girl, Transcendence, so I don't know. I'll probably get hands for him eventually, but yeah. So apparently his shoulder like pulls out. I think his middle of his arms are probably double jointed just like the girls, but I don't quite know all of his moves yet. Yeah, it looks like they are though. Oh, that's weird. It definitely like looks a little awkward there when he pulls out a socket, but it's not that bad. I mean, he looks like a doll. Oh my god, that's so cute. You can have him like pose like that, but here's him up close and personal. He looks absolutely fabulous. I love that he can pose like that. Absolutely love the hair with the eyes. I love the grayish kind of hazel eye look. Kind of up to mischief look. And I did want to show, you can definitely bend them a lot more than the females. So that's a really cool feature. He doesn't seem to stand on his own though, so you would definitely need to use the tripod stand that they come with, which I haven't used that yet either on my Transcendence, so that'll be cool to use on him. And yeah, that's kind of what a close-up of him looks like. Here's the back of him, back of his hair, which his hair I don't even think quite captures on film, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Fave new doll hairstyle right here. My hair is pretty much similar, except curly, but the bangs vibe. Yeah, so this is the only thing that makes him look like Inhuman, but I kind of love it. This is what they look like in comparison to each other. As you can see, he's definitely more toned, definitely has a bigger, heavier build. Not a ton, but, and then the chest difference, obviously the arm differences. The joints are pretty much similar, but this feels so different after touching that, and this is like hard, minus the hands, which are squishy. Safubi. But even his feet are Safubi, which is really cool. But yeah, she can actually stand. I don't know if I can do it right now, but she can actually stand on her own. I don't think he can. So that's kind of interesting. I'm not very good at standing them yet, to be completely honest with you. So we're probably not gonna, but this is the Transcendence in T face. And this is the Take On Me face and hair also for both of them that they came with. So that's probably enough close-up for now, but yeah, he even has like layers. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. It's freaking awesome, and I love their little noses. His is more toned and defined, which looks different in the picture because it just looks like a point, but it looks very much real in the person. So yeah. This is them. They're gonna hang out forever, and